All right, I see the use of the empirical rule. So if you look at the definition of the empirical rule, one standard deviation is 68% of the data. Two standard deviations is 95% of the data. Three standard deviations, sorry for my horrible handwriting, is 99.7% of the data. Oh, looky there. So what I did is I went, like we all do, on Google, and I found an empirical graph, which I'm sure in textbooks and all that kind of good stuff. So it says the mean of a sample vehicle along a stretch of a highway is 71 miles per hour. Must be in Texas, huh? 71 is the mean. Remember, the mean goes right down the middle, with a standard deviation of 5 miles per hour. So let's just kind of write this over here. The mean is 71, and the standard deviation, that sigma, mu, is 5. Estimate the percent whose speeds are between 61 and 81. So what I can do is one standard deviation, 68% is one standard deviation below and one standard deviation above. Well, I know that below one standard deviation would be 66, and then I know above one standard deviation would be 76. So in other words, I'm right here. I'll draw these kind of lines, 76, and then right here, 66. And I already forgot what they were asking me, 61 and 81, so I ain't got there yet. Well, what if I do below two standard deviations? So you see what I did there is I just simply multiplied the standard deviation by 2. So I get 61. Oh, looky. All right, and then what if I want above? So that's the plus. So 81. So 81 is two standard deviations. So based off of this actual rule, okay, and that's kind of the key here, based off of this rule, then this says that I am within 95, the speeds between 61 and 81, and this one they want rounded would be 95%. But this is an important curve, this empirical rule, with the normal curve, because it makes it very easy to find these. So if it asks me, you know, what is between 61 and 71, well, then what I could do is I could just add these probabilities. That would be between 61 and 71. So this is a good little graph to have so you can add these probabilities.